Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name's Kanisha. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell if you want to be notified whenever I upload more videos like this or whenever I upload videos, period. Also, don't forget to follow me on all of my social media accounts. I have an Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all that good stuff. So, that link will be posted somewhere in this video. What I'm going to be doing today is just a everyday makeup look and talking about some of my favorite products for the month of July. So this is going to be like a July favorites as well as like an easy makeup everyday tutorial, I guess, combined in one video. So if you're interested in seeing how all of this turns out, and excuse my band you guys, like I just have this just so my hair can be pulled back, but if you want to see how all of this turns out, then just keep watching. Have cleaned my skin. I'm going to be using the Origins Original Skin Renewal Serum with Willow Herb. Looks like this here. I'm going to be adding some of the, I don't know how to pronounce this brand guys, but it's like Caudalie, forgive me because I know I'm butchering it, but I'm going to be using some of their serum combined with a little bit of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Raindrops. Okay guys, one of my favorites right now, this did not launch in July, I think it launched last year maybe in July, but it's going to be the Colourpop Yes Please palette. Looks like this, has a lot of warm tones in it. I'm just going to go in with the burnt orange shade here. Chocolate brown shade here, I think this shade is called Mischief, and I'm going to pack that onto the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. Taking a flat tip brush and going to carve out this cut crease here. And another palette I have been loving that did launch in July, I believe, is the Soul palette by Colourpop. What I'm going to do is take this lighter shade here, taking this shade here, I believe, which is called Dynamite. Next thing I'm going to do is go in with my absolute favorite foundation. So this is also a favorite in July. Is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. This is in the shade Y500, which is my summer shade. Earlier in the year I was wearing, I think, Y480 or T480, something like that. But I use this one for the summertime. I love it so much that I actually bought the summer color. So that's how good this foundation is. If you haven't tried it, it's very skin-like. But like it has a little bit of coverage and like your face just looks like super natural, and it also to me is somewhat of a matte foundation. It doesn't claim to be, but it works for me, and I have, you know, pretty oily skin or combo skin on most days. I'm going to use this NYX number 3 brush that I normally use in my videos. You guys know how much I love this. I'm going to go in with a concealer, and I'm going to be using the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This concealer has been raved about so much on Instagram, on YouTube, all of those platforms. So this is a July favorites for me. It did launch in July, I believe. And it's a lightweight concealer, but it's going to give you super coverage. But you're definitely not going to feel like you're wearing like tons of concealer. This concealer does dry down pretty nicely, and there's minimum creasing with this concealer as well. And the shade range is pretty nice. Just blended in this concealer, you guys. The coverage is awesome. Look at that. As well as the finish. When you hear people talking about this concealer on YouTube and Instagram and all that, just know they are not ranting and raving for no reason, girl. This is nice. Very nice. Another thing that I've been enjoying this month is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake, Loose Bake, and Setting Powder. And it's in the shade Kunafa, I think. But I love this, guys. Like, I love it. It helps your makeup look super flawless. It helps it stay on all day. And she has so many different shades. You can get a dark one, you know, or you can get something that's skin tone like to set all of your face, or you can get something lighter that you can set under your eyes, which is what I use this for. I use this for everywhere that I've highlighted pretty much, and then I'll go over my entire face with a more skin tone like powder. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do is going with my Mercier Medium Deep Setting Powder. I'm going to set my entire face, sweep away this powder. I don't bake typically under my eyes just because I have drier under eyes, and they tend to look extremely dry if I do bake, or my creasing will be more noticeable, I think, when I do bake, so I just don't bake. I did go ahead and add some liner to my eyes. I am going to use a highlight that I have splurged on, but it was a good splurge, and it's the Tom Ford Sheer Highlighting Duo in Reflex Gilt. I guess that's the shade. I don't know, but it looks like this. Super pretty. The packaging is really nice. And I like to use the pinkish shade. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So pretty. I'm gonna use the NYX Double Dare Blush. I don't even know where I got this or when I got it, but it's really nice. It's super pigmented, so I'm kind of gonna go in a little bit light-handed with it. It's really pigmented, and it's a bright orange shade. I'm going in with the MAC Sushi Kiss, which is like a peach lipstick. Okay, I'm going to apply some lashes off camera, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the final look. Okay guys, so this is the end result. This is the complete look, and like I said, this is just a very light everyday makeup look that doesn't take very long at all. What's most important to me in the summertime is just having, if I'm gonna wear makeup, making sure my skin looks very healthy, glowy, and nice and natural. So I think that I have achieved that with this look. It's not super full coverage, so you can wear it in the summer heat for those people who live in these sweltering southern states like me. And yeah, so I really hope that you enjoy this look. Sorry, I'm feeling myself, y'all. I am like, okay, feeling myself in this monitor here. But I do hope that you check out some of my July favorites that I mentioned in this video. Like I said, this foundation is just absolutely flawless. There's not anything bad about it. that I can say. I have been wearing it for pretty much since it came out, so it's been a few months now. Like I said, I even bought a darker shade to wear during the summertime because I loved my regular shade so much. I really like the Tarte Radiance drops. Just because they do help to give the skin like a natural glow, and it's very lightweight on your skin. I know everyone can't afford to buy a Tom Ford highlighter. I completely understand that, and at one point in time I didn't have the money for it. I pretty much don't have the money for it now, but like I said, I splurged on this and I do not regret it. Like, this highlight is booming. Like, it's so lit. I really like the highlight. Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I have the shade Chestnut, and you saw how it applied on me and how it looks on my skin tone. But this is also a favorite for me, and it's a lot of other people's favorites. It just gives you the it gives you like that full coverage look, but it's so light. Like, my face, I don't even feel like I'm wearing makeup at all. So everything I've used is pretty much lightweight. Also, I have another favorite that I didn't use in this video, and that is the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette. If you want to see what I thought of that palette and how much I liked it, then just check out my last video. It's uploaded already on my channel. And let me know, you guys, what you think about this look in the comment section below. Don't forget, guys, to subscribe and like this video. And I hope you guys come back, and I'll see you next time. Bye.